President Trump reverses course on global tariffs, announcing a 90-day pause. That's the headline from the New York Times, reported by Anna Swanson and Tony Rahm from Washington. On Wednesday, President Trump abruptly halted steep tariffs that had been imposed on nearly 60 countries just hours earlier. The move came after days of market turmoil, with the S&P 500 plummeting and fears of a recession mounting. In a post on Truth Social, the president authorized a 90-day pause during which those countries would face a substantially lowered reciprocal tariff of 10%. That 10% blanket tariff applies on top of the existing 25% tariffs on cars, steel, and aluminum that remain in place. However, the pause does not extend to China. Instead, Trump raised tariffs on all Chinese imports to 125% after Beijing retaliated by raising its levies on American goods to 84%. Markets reacted instantly. The S&P 500 surged more than 9%, its best single-day gain since the recovery from the 2008 financial crisis. Nearly every stock in the index rose, with airlines, tech companies, and Tesla soaring over 20%. Automakers Ford and General Motors also jumped more than 7% despite the ongoing auto tariffs. President Trump acknowledged that the market downturn had fed into his decision. He said, "Over the last few days it looked pretty glum. I thought that people were jumping a little bit out of line. They were getting yippee. They were getting a little bit afraid." He also noted he had been watching the bond market, which had seen a sharp sell-off alongside the dollar, and said the bond market now looks beautiful. Economists had been sounding urgent alarms that the U.S. might be careening toward a self-inflicted recession. The 90-day halt has provided temporary relief, but the trade war with China has intensified dramatically. That's the latest on the shifting trade landscape. Thanks for listening.